How to turn off developer mode in Wix. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to turn off developer mode in Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Wix website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm going to log in with my account, and after I log in, I will be redirected rightly on my Wix website editor. And sometimes if you open your Wix website editor, the developer mode is on, so it cause or it shows annoying window right here below. And if you want to stop that, if you don't want this window to appear, you can just turn off your developer mode by clicking easily the dev mode right here on the top. As you can see right here on the left or on the right side of the settings, you will see dev mode, and you can just click that, and you can just click turn off developer mode right there if you want to disable the developer mode. And for example, I'm going to click turn off developer mode, and as you can see right there, the developer mode is disabled and the annoying window will disappear. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can turn off developer mode in Wix website. It's pretty much basic. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.